Cracking your knuckles doesn't cause arthritis. The sound comes from gas bubbles collapsing in joint fluid, not bones grinding. The real arthritis risks are genetics, age, and joint wear, not noise. Many people believe that cracking knuckles is harmful, yet the truth reveals a different story. It's essential to understand the underlying factors contributing to arthritis as we grow older. Studies are shedding light on how genetics plays a significant role in joint health, linking family history to higher arthritis risks. Understanding these factors can help us take proactive steps towards maintaining our joint health.